Hello and welcome back to CADMech, the channel where we simplify mechanical engineering for students, freshers, and plant professionals. Today's topic is small, but super important. It's called priming in pumps. You might have heard the term before, but do you really know what it means and why it matters? Let's break it down step by step, the simple way. Priming is the process of removing air from the pump casing and suction line and filling it with the liquid to be pumped, most commonly water. This step is crucial for most types of pumps, especially centrifugal pumps, because they are not designed to pump air. If you start the pump without priming, it will just keep spinning and pumping nothing. Let's understand the science behind it. Centrifugal pumps need liquid inside to create negative pressure at the suction and push water at the discharge. Air being compressible doesn't allow the pump to build pressure. No water inside equal sign, no suction equal sign, no flow. If you skip priming, the pump runs dry, it can overheat, it may cause cavitation, it can damage internal parts. So, priming is not optional. It's essential for safe and efficient operation. Now here's how you actually do it. Step 1. Make sure the pump is turned off. Step 2. Open the priming port or plug on the pump. Step 3. Fill the casing with water until it overflows. Step 4. Tighten the priming plug back. Step 5. Start the pump. You should hear the water flow immediately. Not all pumps need manual priming. Some are designed to do it themselves. Self-priming pumps. Built to handle air and create suction automatically. Common in portable pumps, dewatering, and drainage. Non-self-priming pumps must be filled manually before every start. Found in HVAC systems, WTPs, irrigation, etc. Know the type of pump you're dealing with before you hit the power switch. In water treatment plants, irrigation setups, and industrial processes, a failure to prime can lead to downtime, equipment damage, and process failure. Engineers and operators must ensure pumps are properly primed during commissioning, maintenance restarts, post-service operations. Let's recap. Priming equal sign, removing air and filling pump with liquid. Without priming, centrifugal pumps won't work. It prevents damage and ensures efficiency. Manual versus self-priming depends on pump type. Now you know why priming is not just a formality, it's the first step to reliable pump performance. Tell us, have you ever seen a pump fail because it wasn't primed? Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to CADMech for more engineering insights. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video.